Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually create a class in Duolingo so you can play Duolingo with multiple people. Let's say you are a teacher and you want your class to have Duolingo with you so you can actually teach them with Duolingo. Now the first thing that you want to do is log into your existing Duolingo account on your browser. Now it's very easy, just simply open up your Firefox or Google Chrome, log into your official Duolingo account, and that's step one. Now the second step is by simply going to More. Now once the More tab opens up, here you see a drop down menu where your school appears right here. Now simply press it, and here you see you're free for your classroom. Now here's a little step-by-step menu what you can do with it. Now simply press get started. Now from here you confirm that your Duolingo account is the actual account that you're signed into, and simply press continue. Now here you name your classroom. Now let's say I want it to be Spanish. It's my Spanish classroom. Or you can import the class information from Google Classroom, which is also very handy. Now from there you press continue, and here you select the language that you want to be teaching. Now let's say we want to teach Spanish. Now simply go down and search for Spanish. Let's find it here, Spanish, and what language you should use for the instructions and notifications. Now let's keep it on English, or you can do Dutch if you're from the Netherlands, for example. Now here press continue, and here is a simple thing. We don't really matter, so simply press other and go to the classroom. Now, and as you can see, the Duolingo classroom has been created for Spanish. And once the classroom has been created, you can add students from here by simply pressing add students. Now you can share this link with your students and they can join the classroom by themselves, or you can add them directly if you have their email addresses or their names for Duolingo. Now here you can assign any work, like make a course, for example, just play around with it. And here you can change the privacy settings, you can create a new class, and there are loads of stuff to do here. Here's your teacher training on how to actually use Duolingo professionally, and here's some little videos you can watch, and it's very easy. Now, if you still get any questions regarding this process, simply ask it in the comments down below and I will try to do my very best to help you. But most importantly, thank you for watching.